Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. And I have to wait for my environment to start. For some reason my terminal takes some time to work. There it is. I think starting the real terminal helps somehow. Well, I hope it fixes itself in time. Just ignore it for now. So it started. Let's commit. Here's my game. I'm the guy in the middle. First I can choose a class. Currently I'm working on a new one called Tamer, which has 3 pets which fight for me. And I myself, I can't fight, and they are bound to me over leash. And yes, they behave in certain patterns currently. They get stronger if they kill stuff, but not significantly stronger. So now the goal of the game is to get a high score, and it's based on how far from the middle I die. And enemies get stronger the further I am from the middle, and because this Tamer class is new, it's still not scaling enough to come far. This was a boss which has always one ability. It will have far more HP later. Stronger ones come. Okay, so around, yeah, I probably will not be able to pass too much further. Quickly running against the direction of my pets is hard. And I think I don't beat him. Oh, okay, this was one round. Now what do I work on today? Yeah, this was, I would not say queue and task, but task, Tamer, task, ideas. Let's do it here. This, move it. So my Tamer ideas did I have last time? Good pet behavior. I have this type of behavior. This is something I did, or I can already do. This notch. The abilities I have none. I have ideas. Okay, but I thought about one thing I could do. Call it ability feet, which is player can a pet. Pet has hunger. The hunger value, feeding too little and pet this size, feeding too much and pet gets bigger. Bigger pet harder to pull with leash. Pet slower moving, something like this. User size is it's easier to pull, but slower moving is. Should it become faster? I don't think so. Maybe. We can get it's unclear if it's or moves. Something like this is a base idea. I think this is something for today, and I can but maybe a well fed feed pet. What is should be the best damage. So easier to pull, moves slower. No, moves. Move speed is normal. Damage reduced. This is a good. Bigger, should the bigger pet do more damage? Or melee damage maybe? Slower moving, but it does in theory more damage. And our best damage is normal damage, normal speed. Okay, I think this is a decent set. Okay, so I need to think about values for my pet. And where did I Tamer pet character? Targets. Hunger. Number. And size modifier? No. Is this overfeeded, or how call it overfeeded? Overfed? Feed this? Okay, overfed would be and underfed? Underfeed? Underfed wahrscheinlich. His idea is, I think this is current hunger. If it's lower than my underfeed value, I will lose size, and if it's bigger than my overfeed value, it will gain size. And I can randomize them at the start, so the pets are always slightly different in how much they eat. Does this make sense? Maybe. So depending on how high it is, maybe hunger is the wrong word. Current hunger, how hungry it is? So higher would mean it's hungry. I don't like the names yet. Would I ask? I can remove ChatGPT for variable name. Twisted. I used Google. Okay. I need a good name for a code variable. I need it is responsible for indicating how fat a pet is. So I value would mean it has eaten too much, and a low value it is starving. How should I call it? Can you give me some idea? So pet hunger level. Current hunger. I don't need the pet because I'm in the pet type already, pet character. Hunger level. Eating in. Appetite level. The intake level sounds interesting. Meals. Okay, I choose food intake level. And these are what I think I might export. Do I need to export? I don't know. Let's just type food intake level BQ and the number I want over is the max and min, too low, too high. Oh no, I keep over fat and under. For some reason, this would sound. Oh, I'm not sure if I pronounce them correct. And I have to. No, I want the. It's to English. Oh no, it's fat. This makes more sense. The overfat and underfat. And I don't think I. Still not. Overfat add, underfat add value. Let's try this for now. I did break, yes, okay. Food intake level does not exist on creation. So we give him current is, let's say 50 is the default. The underfat add is overfat add is 70 or something. Now let's. I have the game. Do I have it? The game. Next random game state seed random seed. I need to floor it. Or at least I want. So it has to be positive, I would say. Let's do a range of 20. Or let's do it differently. 40 minus. It goes from 40 to 20. And we make 60 plus the same. Maybe flowing is not necessary. But I think I will do one more. Let's call it interval, tick interval. Can keep this as I can say every 1 second it changes. If I are feeding every 20 seconds, probably every 100 is what I will see. Testing, it can change often. Okay, now if I tick it, these ones are for moving. Character tick. Tick. I would function move tick. This is all movement related, I guess. I need just so everything in here. Target. It's part of this. Add is this. And because this is player could also here for now. Pet owner passing cache. I think this is all perfect. Let's do function. Intake level tick. I will need the pet. I might not need the pet owner. Let's start with this. Let's do it after moving. Now I need if bad food intake level point next tick. If this is undefined, or if this one is smaller, game state time. Oh, one way around. Wait a minute. This one. Game state reached it. I do the tick. And then it's equals food intake level, tick interval. Now we can say that I can call it level, and it to be shorter. Take accessing it so often. Intake level current minus equals. I do this. In 10 seconds it loses 1. 5 seconds it loses 1. Let's try. No, let's start with this. Now if let me think. If intake level current smaller intake level underfed at, then at dot size, no, doesn't it have a size? I think width is what I use mainly. Let's just say let's make default size number is 15. Default size. Oh. Tell me. Am I on the correct? Doesn't tell me. It tells me width and height, yes. Okay. Can say pitfall size is default size times. How do I do it? Start. Intake level is bigger than intake level of at else it's default size. No, there's no default size. Correct. Okay. This is now I have to think. Think I would have the size up to did I damn it? A base. Wait a minute. It should be a damage multiplier basically. Damage factor. How do I have to think how I get the damage factor later, I think. For now, let's just do the size. I have the size. Or should be between 1 and halved. Should be 1 minus I do let's do it. Size factor is if I do this, it starts at 0. No, not really. Bit bigger than 0 goes up to underfed at. No, I can go into the negative with this. Do I want? I don't think so. Okay, then let's do it differently. It's bigger 0. I reduce. Later. As long as I okay. Maybe it can get slightly below 0 in the future, but doesn't matter. Does it? Might matter. The size factor back to it. This is... I could divide it. That would give me a value between 0 and 1. But this would mean doesn't matter. Zero and 1. And it starts at 0. Divided by 2 would mean between 0 and 0.5. And if I do 1 minus, I think I have the value. Okay, let's do something similar here with at. Now the quant is a bigger value. It should be at the side. Over fat it divided by 2. No, this I don't need. Now it goes up to 1. It's 1 plus. This gives me value 0 first. Okay, this could work. Now I could do 100 for now. Oh, wait a minute, this is incorrect. If it's later, it's less its growth. Okay, it doesn't get fat so fast, but it can grow definitely. I would do this is a const, but let's keep it a bit smaller. Size factor is want a maximum? No, I want a size factor. Maybe 2 is the biggest I should accept. To 2.5. Should I see what happens? Let's see what happens. So I can do a 200. Start fat. Okay, for painting I'm already using the height. This be at 8 equals pad width. Now they're all overweight. It's hard to see if they shrink. This one doesn't move, does it? I think they shrink. And I could like this 10 times faster. Barely noticeable. This is fine. Okay, so they are small. They are small. Yes, 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 they shouldn't be smaller. Okay. Maybe the tick interval, I could also randomize it per pet. Let's do something like 100, so okay. Let's do 2000. Yes, should they grow to these sizes? Can they hit? Yes, they can hit. This is definitely too big. Let's get the max back. Do I have him? I lost size vector equals. Let's do 10. Don't know if a 10 is good, but let's see. How do they react to? I can push them through this. This could also something interesting. Fats that they don't fit through gaps. But this is not yet what happens. Okay, I think for now I accept this as the max size. Now I want it should influence how much I can pull them. So I have a size factor. I maybe I think it's good to save it. Size factor. Change it up. If that size factor is this. do this at the end. Yeah, size is no, it's 1. So I calculate the size factor and I set it. I broke something, or because I don't have the size factor. And I set the size. Based on the size factor, maybe it's not correct. I want it to influence the leash. Maybe I give character 8. Let's do it. No, character model. Where is it? Character image. Character. Could do it. Weight. The number. And strength. This is I give them a weight. Just like, and for now the weight will be just 1. The weight will be important for the leash. The leash. So pull force is used based on how much I overpull. Divided by 10, then I have a pull force. But I need 2 pull forces. I now want them to be based on the difference. Let me think. This is a ability owner, so this is the pet in my case. I don't want to increase the pull force, I just want to reduce it. This is a pull force modifier. I am unsure. Start with this. Based on the difference. Then I have to decide based on the weight who is the stronger puller. They're both using the pull force. Could be the base pull force. Let's calculate some value here. I have ability owner weight minus connected owner weight. Where does he? What? Why can it be undefined? Because the owner is the owner. Okay. To have it. Is this the correct way to do it? Oh, this is a position. Take ability leash. Ability. Oh. Wait a minute. Connected owner is a position. Find character by ID. This is a character. Why do I? Now I have a weight. Okay, now I can exclamation mark it. So this would give me difference. So if the owner is the pet, in my pet case is heavier, weight difference is bigger 0. Force modify weight modifier. Weight modify is 0 or 1. factor, let's do it like this. If it's I will set it. It should go to 0, because I'm the heavier one. Bigger the number. I could, the weight difference is bigger than 1. I could somehow I would do 9 to the power of the weight difference. This would slowly go to I'm unsure. It might be too fast. Let's consider the weight difference. This doesn't tell much. It's based on should base it on how much weights they have. So if the owner weighed 1 and this weighs 10, and he's 10 times heavier. So it's I divide, and that's it. I should, okay, I assume weight will never be 0. If it's 0, I could make a case for it. This would mean if this might be already what I want. This might be vector, but I only want it if it's if weight factor bigger 1. I do something like this. The owner is heavier. Won't change anything. I could do the same down here. Just swap these ones. And this two. So let's now currently, because all are weight 1, I'm again weak. So I have again trouble pulling them. I come to here, they pull me. Okay. This is expected. What I would expect the course to behave like. I will should be the weight. 15 weight times 8 could be. It's times 8. It's times 8. Would be a weight for the start. And if I set the bed weight, this, now I should have far more trouble pulling them. Have no chance currently. They are losing weight. Still very small. He is so strong. Pulls me. It's not working. Okay, something is off. This should be very small. I could see. Do I have the game? State players. No, not player. Input players. This might be good enough. Character. Is my weight 800? Okay, pets. It's pets. Okay, wait. 56. Okay. Let's see. Leash. Connected owner is 800 divided by 50. It's far greater than. Did I do it the wrong way? I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Let's try. Yep. This one is 800. This one is the 50. This is a very small number. And it's correct. Oh, this is 800 and this is 50. It's 40 is the number or something. 20. It's level to 1. I think this is now the correct order. What is unsaved game task? Okay, fine. Let's try. I can barely pull them. I still times get stronger than them. So others are very small. Okay. This is easy to pull. Perfect. I could also do one. So because he's the owner, that's the real one. Gets a bonus by default. I wonder if I should give this to a name. Const. Owner is bonus is 2. Let's call it this. If I do 2000, then the leash. Would not be able to. No. Very slowly I pull. He pulls me around. Okay, I think this is how I want it. Now they start on a 50. Behavior, and if they are normal, it's easy for me to pull them. Of course, they currently wait pretty fast. Now I need a feed ability. It's okay. What does feed do? I click. I have to find the nearest pet. I feed it. Might paint some visualization. For now, I just want to directly increase it. So it's a casted ability, not a passive one. Shoot. No. Snipe is the ability, but snipe is far too big to take, I think. But all clicked are currently big. Let's see what happens. Ability feed pet. Great ability was snipe. Upgrade options. Ability snipe. Jet snipe. Don't have it yet. Tick. Tick, tick, tick. I won't need the tick, I think. This is snipe specific. Cast is the one important. Don't have a delete yet. Delete your level. Don't have an ability object. Abilities now. Don't have an image yet. This now. Let's just delete most dependencies. This not paint. I don't need it. I will passive false and true. I need this. No upgrades yet. For now, snipe rename to feed pet. Okay. Does he complain here? Delete it. I don't have additional. No, I don't have the object. Value is a bad feed value. Let's call it this one. But no, this value. Don't do yet. Ability upgrade options. Upgrade options. They're optional. Seems he wants them. Active ability card. This is optional. Okay. Would have a range. How far I can feed. Not too far. Size? No. Charge time. Charges. Let's do a recharge time. Every 1 second I can feed. I need an input binding. Recharge time. I need this value. I want to charge it. Upgrades. Looks like I need upgrades. Okay. I think if it okay, I have the name here. Value is so generic. I think it did feel well. Then it's 10 for now. And I have everything I need. I think like this. I think I could have built it from oh. Hey, do I have the client info? Because okay, I don't need it here. Do I want to set this? Don't think I need it here. Queue and charges. Don't have charges. Okay, but I could keep it like this. This is how I scroll down there. Load. And next recharge time, no. Well, let's do it like this. If I have the value and it's the time is reached, then I can cast it. Then I will need to find nearest pet. Feed value, feed pet. Ability feed pet upgrade options. Need it. Oh. I don't think I need this. Is input down. Yeah, if put down. So only on put up I react. I see if the ability is ready. Then I cast it, which also means I need game state time plus ability pet recharge time. So find nearest pet. Net distance, newest. The number, just let pet pet is a has to be a pet character, Tamer pet character, or own pets. Okay, I could, or he doesn't have pets. ability pet feed range. It's a good idea. And temp range equals calculate distance. No. Distance. Calculate distance. Add to ability owner. If temp range smaller range, distance, then pet will be pet or pet. Closest pet, but pet to cast position. Now I have a problem. Range. Temp to click. Range to owner. Oh no. It has to be smaller than range. This is a pet. What? Pet is a character? No, he doesn't complain. No, I need to feed pet if closest pet. No, I could, if I have a pet, closest pet, intake level Q1 plus equals ability pet. And only when I successfully feed, I'll do this. Okay. Its ability to the Tamer. Where's the sniper? Okay. Great ability 9. Feed pet. It's on ability 1. The ID counter. No, I'm incorrect here. I have an ID counter here. True. Gets boss skill points. No. This is leveling also no. False. Okay. Tamer. I have no UI for it. I deleted too much. It doesn't work yet, but I need to make a small break. Maybe pick Okay, I'm back. I was not able to feed. I was not able to see. So I would say first I paint. I had one paint. This one. Let's steal from tower. Tower was not too complex. Okay, tower UI. Next tower, I don't have a next tower. I think I have to import. We already had. I want to display. Oh, this is only snipe. Then another ability. Or movement speed. Speed boost was it? Mm. That's I was incorrect here. I have the rect I paint. Then I have some fill calculation and text. I don't need the text. Let's just copy and sort out here. I have a player input binding. Do not understand. Tower? Oh. I think I can do this. What did I break? Okay, the complaints. This is the reason why I have it. Okay. But lost my haste. So I have nothing to do with upgrade. It's not cooldown, finish time at recharge. I don't have one, or I have one. Oh, it's not undefined, and I smaller than this. 8 factor is recharge time, game state time. At seconds. it's only this, maybe. It does not go on cooldown. Let's no, I think waypoint is easier. It just jumps over it. Next recharge time is undefined. Ready, so the undefined part was missing. So it's too far away. This is near enough. F pet, I check the other one. Wait, he overrides it. I didn't update the distance. Okay, yes. Now I feed the pet. Okay. Now distance. And I increase the feed value. Okay, now definitely I can feed them. Please. And I have to the butter. Let's make it 25. Cancel. I don't know what I pressed. Let's go to Tamer and do like let's multiply it. I multiply it. Let's floor the whole thing. Times next random. Zero 0.5. So it's halved or Might be a lot. I think this is fine. 25 more or less. So now I can. The wrong one is getting bigger. I think the. Okay, let's go to feasibility. Let's make it absolute obvious what I click. So we move a bit. I want to. This one was correct. This one is correct. I want to feed. And here, okay. Now it's working definitely correct. Sometimes it feels off. Maybe sure. So I can feed them. Let's update my task. I can feed a pet done. Pet has hunger done. Hunger is a fire. Well, it gets hungrier. Feeding too little in size. Yes. Easier to pull. Yes. Speed and damage. Is done. Feeding too little. Feeding too much. I have to do, but ability feed. Visualize. Feed action. Some graphic. And what else? I mean, I have no chance of pulling them to the right place. Okay. I mean, the bonus size lets them attack easier, and my useless pet now protects me. movement speed might be the next option I can do. But I have to think how. Should I commit? Let's wait. Movement speed. Could just set it. But if it's affected by movement slows, which is not possible yet, do it another way. Well, I need to do it someday, but currently it's not relevant, so I can do it easily. Feed pet? No. Tamer pet. Oh, tick. I need a base speed. Base. Oh, it. The number. Let's give it 2. See how I initialize the pets. Wait, Tamer pet. This is a move speed, I think, so it's already 2. Guns. It is 2. Again, the T. Just tell me it's, yes, correct value. Oh. If he is overweight, which is here, it's pet base movement speed. Movement speed is base based on base. And I multiply it by some value. Let's do check the maximum. So no, let's do this, and the size factor is positive. But I can turn it around like this. This goes from 1 to 10. If I'm twice the size, I lose half the speed. But 1/10 is also fine. This would mean for all other cases I have to set the base speed Well, let's do it for like this for now. Would expect size factor to be positive between 1 to 10. 2 is twice the size. Oh, I think this works. So this is a hyperactive one. I missed. One more time. Did I really miss? Okay, he got a lot slower. Oh. It's hard to get them. Okay, but this is which should happen if you feed them too much. Can barely pull him and he barely moves. Maybe they should lose weight faster if I overweight them. I think I need to increase the range a bit. Head range 200. And this is maybe the reason why I feed unexpected ones. Here. I shouldn't feed. Let's do one more change. Temp range to click. It's range, no. I want. I should click near enough. So, yes, this is fine. But I don't want to redirect. Yep. So also a bear can no longer. Well, too heavy. They are very slow. So he doesn't get bigger. Or visually bigger, maybe. Okay, but now I have to wait for eternity for them to get small again. I cannot. On the death zone. Okay, so the speed is fine. Now the damage. Could give characters a damage factor. Create a debuff or buff. Okay, the question is if pets get abilities in the future, should the size affect the abilities? Would be interesting if I do it. Which makes it complicated. So, is its abilities responsibility? Maybe. Also pet's responsibility. Say that its abilities responsibility. This I could. The size factor has damage. Okay, let's do it. Melee. Take ability melee. Character take damage. Ability melee damage. I this value somewhere else. Only in here. Set its value. Set it based on here. Okay, this is the only code position. And what's this way? And damage equals T melee something. Ability owner. Owner type. Pet. I have Tamer pet character. Is it the type? Is it type? Type. I think it's the type. I will do damage. Tamer pet character. Size factor, and now my damage is divided by it. Yeah, 100, give him a size 400. Yeah, 700. And now it's times 10. He no longer has any speed. And this one is getting smaller and yes, only doing half the damage. Okay. For now, it's working like I want it to. Oh, I am helpless. I die because I cannot pull my pet out of the death zone. Okay. I think this is to the file. Damage reduced, damage normal. I always recalculated, so yes. I can reduce this because it's now based on the weight. And the next time I have to look, I can add on to it. So, Tamer pet food intake level. Shit. I can let my one test one again. See if my other characters still work. Looking good. Okay. Test successful. I guess I end here. At least I think there's nothing to do at the end. Okay, guess this is the end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.